Hi, I'm Professor Ryan Cooper. I've been faculty here in the School of Mechanical, Aerospace, and Manufacturing Engineering for about 9 years now. I've had over 100 students per year, all coming in and out of my classes, usually around 200. And lately, the biggest topic has been AI. How does AI change engineering decisions? How does it change the research that we're doing? Can I use it in my writing? Is it still my writing? I'm teaching a new short course on technical writing with AI, where we dive into those kind of questions about you as the expert. Where is AI actually helpful for your field versus where is AI actually taking potential intellectual property from you because it's been involved in your writing process? So I hope you can join me. It'll be a fun course using either ChatGPT or Copilot or Gemini, but all these different tools that we can take a look at and see where are they helpful, how can we use it, how do we justify our own work, and then start to make some real change with our own expertise in there. Okay, hope you can join. Bye.